In this video, we are going to talk about how to compute sum in Excel using 5 different ways. So first of all, I will type some value. So let's say you have 4 values, 10, 20, 30, and 40, and you want to compute the sum. So first of all, you can use a simple feature known as AutoSum. So you have to place your cursor in A5 and then click on AutoSum twice, and it will do the sum automatically. So second method is to use a formula. See, I have placed equal to sign because in Excel every formula begins with an equal to sign, and after placing the equal to sign, you have to type sum, and then you have to type the name of the cell A1 and to column A4. So this will include all the cell between A1 to A4, and then press enter. So it will compute the sum. So this was the second method. The third method is to again use equal to sign and type the ranges manually, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. So this is the third method where we have manually done the entries of every cell. So fourth method is a bit tricky. So here is the example. You have to type is equal to sum and then open the parenthesis. Then you have to go to the first cell, and after the first cell is entered, you have to press the colon. So it will log the cell here, and then you can drag the cell and press enter. So this was the fourth way, and the last way is using the cursor to type the A1 and just drag your cells and press enter. So these are the 5 different ways by which you can compute sum in Excel. Thanks for watching.